Why is my AC compressor overheating? Your compressor is overheating because it is working too hard, usually from poor airflow, low refrigerant, dirty coils, or a bad electrical part. The compressor is like the heart of your air conditioner because it pushes the cooling gas through the system. When that heart has to pump against too much pressure, it gets hot, and sometimes it shuts itself off to protect the whole unit. One very common reason is dirty condenser coils outside, because if heat cannot escape, the compressor keeps getting hotter and hotter. Another reason is a clogged air filter or blocked indoor vents, since the system cannot breathe well and that makes the compressor work harder. Low refrigerant is tricky because people think less refrigerant means less work, but it can actually make the compressor struggle and run too long. A failing fan motor can also cause trouble because the fan is supposed to blow heat away from the compressor and the outdoor coil. Something many people do not know is that a small capacitor problem can make the compressor start weakly, draw extra power, and overheat before it even sounds obviously broken. The best first step is to turn the system off, check the filter, look for dirt on the outdoor coil, and make sure the outdoor fan is spinning normally. A lot of people make the mistake of resetting the unit again and again when it shuts off, but that can stress the compressor even more. Another common mistake is adding refrigerant without finding the real leak, because the problem comes back and the system can be damaged. People also miss airflow problems inside the house, like closed vents, dirty return grills, or furniture blocking the intake, and those small things can matter a lot. A good habit is to listen for odd buzzing, rattling, or clicking, because those sounds can point to failing electrical parts before the compressor fully quits. If the outdoor fan is not running, do not keep trying the system, because overheating can turn a small repair into a very expensive one. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.